How to buy crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto on Kraken. So then to buy crypto on Kraken, all you have to do is first of all, make sure that your account is verified. And then to begin with, log into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. So right on this page, go ahead and select fundings from the top left hand side corner. Now then to begin with, after you click on fundings, this is going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select trade right on top. After that, it's going to show you the list of cryptocurrencies that's available on Kraken. Now select the particular one, and once you're done selecting it, that's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select whether you want to buy or sell. So select buy, and after that go ahead and enter in all of the information that has been asked right over here. Once you're done, click on buy, which is located right at the bottom. So before buying any of these cryptos, make sure that you have enough funding. Lastly, you'll need to go through all of these statements. So go through it all and make sure to confirm all of the information that you've provided, and click on buy, which is located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a notification stating you've successfully bought crypto on Kraken. So in this way, you can buy crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.